In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate two-step verification process in Yahoo Mail. Two-step verification adds an extra lock on your account, so even if someone gets your password, they still can't get in without a second check. It's quick to set up and well worth the few minutes it takes. Start by signing into your Yahoo Mail account using a web browser on your computer or mobile device. If you're in the Yahoo app, it may send you to a browser page that's normal. Make sure you have access to the device you plan to use for verification, like your phone, and a stable internet connection. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile icon. Click it, then choose Account Info. If you don't see that, go to Settings and select Account Security. You might be asked to confirm your password again for safety. On the Account Security page, scroll until you find the section labeled Ways of Signing In or Two-Step Verification. Click Turn On. This is where you choose your preferred verification method. You can use an authenticator app, a text message sent to a phone number, a push notification if you use the Yahoo app, or a passkey that relies on your device's face recognition, fingerprint, or a device PIN. An authenticator app is generally the most resilient option, while text messages are very convenient. Passkeys are great if you regularly use the same trusted device. If you're prompted to add a recovery email or phone number, go ahead and do that. Follow the on-screen instructions to receive a verification code, then enter it exactly as shown. Codes are time-limited, so don't wait too long. If you're using an authenticator app, make sure your device's time is set automatically to keep codes in sync. If a code doesn't arrive by text, wait a moment and then request a new one rather than sending many requests at once. Next, review your account recovery options. This is important in case you ever lose access to your phone or authenticator. Confirm that the recovery email or number is up to date and stored securely. When everything looks good, click Next or Done, then confirm activation. Two-step verification is now enabled. From now on, when you sign in, you'll enter your password and then complete the second verification step with the method you chose. You can revisit account security at any time to change your method if your needs evolve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.